In these problems, we're talking about volume, how much space something has inside it. And when we look at like a cube like this or some other shape, we tend to think of it in cubic units. So if each one of these little cubes was 1 unit, whether that's 1 centimeter or 1 foot, then you'd count the number of 1 unit cubes, and that would be the volume inside something like this, a shape like this. This question says, this rectangular prism is constructed of cubes. Its volume is how many cubes? Well, if I think about this, I've got this sort of slab of cubes on the front, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 16 cubes in this one row right here, or this one slab. So that's 16. And then there's this one, the next sort of slab, that's 16. And then another slab, that's 16. And then another slab, that's 16. So that's 16 times 4, and I think that's 64. And we would say cubic units, or in this case, just cubes. There's a shortcut to counting them like this, and that is we multiply this side by this side by that side. So 3 ways. When we do area, we multiply length by width. Now we add the depth, and we multiply by that. And that would be 4 times 4 times 4. And if you do that on your calculator, you'll find that does indeed equal 64. Let's take a look at another one. All right, this one says, how many 1 centimeter sugar cubes would be needed to build a rectangular prism with the given dimensions? Dimensions are in centimeters. So really, this is asking what is the volume of this in cubic centimeters. Filling this up with 1 centimeter sugar cubes would make it look a lot like this. So to get the answer here, how many 1 centimeter sugar cubes could fit, we're going to multiply this side by this side by this side, the length and the width and the depth. And that would be 8 times 6 times 3. Plug that into your calculator, and I think you'll get 144. And this would now be, well, they're asking us how many sugar cubes. It would be 144 sugar cubes. If we wanted to say what the volume of this is, it would be 144 cubic centimeters. Whoops, let's get that a little higher.